My name is Professor Green, and I'm a regular speaker at medical congresses. In this video, I'll show you how I prepare for my presentations. I always follow 4 steps. 1. Planning the content. 2. Designing effective slides. 3. Preparing the talk. And 4. Making it an interactive presentation. Let's go through each step. First of all, you have to find out what your audience wants or needs to know about the topic you are presenting. To find out, ask the Congress's scientific committee what's the audience level of expertise and what issues may be on their mind. Once you know the content you have to cover, create an outline of your talk. Begin with a compelling opening, for example, a great anecdote, and end with a strong closing that includes a summary. People will only remember a few points, so it's best to focus on a couple of take-home messages. Step 2. Remember that a slide is not your lecture notes, so make sure to follow these guidelines. No more than 7 lines per slide. No more than 7 words per line. Choose a font from the sans serif family. And never use smaller than 28-point size font to ensure your slides are readable from the back of the room. You also have to think about colors. The best are blue, black, and white if you are using a dark background. And make sure to include cases and pictures to illustrate your key points. Your audience will be more likely to pay attention if you tell them stories. Step 3. The main thing to remember is that you should talk to the audience, not to the slides. Rehearse and learn the talk well enough that you don't have to read. Go early to the room and check the layout, the stage, the lighting. Visualize yourself giving the presentation there. Starting strong will make you relaxed and your audience engaged. To connect with the audience, smile. Show enthusiasm by moving your arms. Make eye contact with them and get out from behind the podium. The last step is making your presentation more interactive. As a rule of thumb, dedicate 20% of your allotted time to audience discussion. So, next time you're preparing to speak at a congress, make sure you go through this checklist. Did you find out more about the audience? Create a script for your talk? Rehearse enough? Plan for enough audience discussion? Good luck! Brought to you by Kennis Group. www.kennis.com